milking happening in these cubicles. Here, we'll go to the far side now.
Hello, cows. Oh, that's the lily. Okay, I see.
So there's one cow being milked right there. There's another cow being milked there. You just see the brushes going underneath. They're cleaning the teats right now. We'll walk into the room and get a close-up.
Cool. So this is all automated. This is so cool. Oh, I see it. That's so cool. Look at that cow pie. If you step in that, that's what Danny was worried about. Yeah. You got the right boots, buddy. Right there. Look at that. It's a water bed. Now these cows are well taken care of. Look at that. Water beds. Look. They get to sleep on water beds. Wow. Does it just start spinning? That's awesome. Look at this place. Wow. So is this all of the cows, or are they some of them?
This is all of the cows.
Wow. Whoa. Whoa, we gotta catch another of that. Look at that poop. And see, the reason why I want to show you all the poop, these things don't stop pooping, right? Look, see how he's pooping? But there's a scraper that automatically comes and scrapes all the poo all the way down to a oh! Look at that. Imagine if Suki had that big of a pee. Oh, we'd never be able to clean that. This is like the spa for all cows. Look at this. I'm just gonna get my tail scratched and preened. Look, Corbin. It's getting its tail rubbed. It knows that that's where it can get its tail scratched. Imagine having an itch you can't scratch. Look at that. That's so cool. So, oh, I need some more. I need some more. Get all those tangles out. Get all the poop out. This is awesome. Why am I so much more interested? So after they go poo, they're all pooing in these big long channels. This automatic scraper comes and then it ends up here in the... Whoa, that is really deep. Look at that. You do not want to fall in there because that's all fecal matter down there. And then they take that and they spray it all over the fields, and then that fertilizes the field. And look at this guy, he's just getting a rub. I love this place. Sheesh, I've never seen one of those before. A cow rubber. These cows are spoiled. After the poop comes through those channels, it goes underground. And this is the main pool of Dan's pool. This is Dan's pool, party pool. This is where people don't like, he doesn't like, or if you're too intoxicated or you're causing any trouble on the ranch here, this is where you get tossed and you gotta try and 6 feet of feces. That's awesome. And then it just pumps into these, through here, into a truck. Yeah.
And in that building over there is press.
Okay.
Presses all the dry particles out of the manure.
Oh.
And that dry manure will use the bedding again.
We use everything, eh?
Yeah. But this is currently not functional.
You made all this? Like this whole cement thing?
Oh yeah, we built the whole line. And back, we're not...
This is corn chopped corn. Sorry, what?
Well, we call it silage. So that's
Silage. Yeah.
just wet material that goes through a fermentation process.
Yeah. Kids, this is all the corn chopped up that you see in the fields. Look at this. And how long will it last without rotting? It's fermenting, right?
So we cover the plastic.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it goes through a fermentation, it uses up all the oxygen in the plastic.
Yeah. Stuff it over.
Same as
And they just love this stuff, eh?
yeah, so we're feeding another year today in the back to grass and alfalfa.
Okay.
The other portions, so this gets all blended together.
Oh, the babies. Oh, the babies. Look at how cute they are, you guys. Oh, look, they got their milk. They got their little jackets on to stay warm. So cute. Look at this guy. Oh, what a sweetheart. Look at this one's eating. It's really healthy. It's like granola. Whoa, you just got a little bit of teeth there. Ah, he's sucking on my finger. Ah, you gotta try this out. Corbin, come here. Stick your finger. Look. Seriously, you've got to try this. It's like there's no milk coming out. It won't hurt you. Come on, you gotta try this. You gotta. You're at a farm, you gotta. That's the cutest thing ever. Come on, Nash. Come on, give it a try. Show Corbin that. Look, just stick your finger in there. He doesn't have teeth. Over here, buddy. Hold back your sweater. Hold back your sweater. Here. Hey, Nash is doing it. Go, Nash. Get closer. Closer. He's like, I like the taste of this. There's Nash getting his finger sucked. Corbin, come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Hey, look. You want him to suck my finger until it's like nothing left in it? Come on. Corbin, you gotta try this so you can show Mommy. Look, it's easy. Look, it doesn't hurt. It doesn't finger. It just feels funny. He's a baby. He's a baby. Look at that. So cute. Look at that. Come here. Corbin, do I have to force you? You want me to force you to do it, or are you going to do it on your own? Come on. You're wasting Uncle Danny's time. Come on. Okay, Corbin's going to do it. Come here. Pull up your sleeve. Give me your hand. It's the... Come on. Be a man. Come on. Nash did it, right? Nash did it. So cute. He's a baby. He's a baby. Here. Here.
Don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it.
I gotta get your face. Can you put your finger in there? I want to get your face. Just let him suck. Let him suck. Stick 2 fingers if you want. Here. Look at that tongue. Oh, that's the cutest thing. Look at that little nose. These are adorable. That's how hard he has to suck on the mummy's nipple to get the milk out. So remember when we were trying to milk the cows? That's how much pressure they use to suck the milk out. This guy's hungry. Oh yeah. See, there's a nipple right there. Look at this. It's like there's nothing left. Give me some more. I want more milk.
I want to try.
Okay, you want to try? Okay. You're going to be coming to work on Uncle Danny's farm in the summers. he's got room
I
for you
never wanna
when you're
look
bigger.
at a house in the garden. I never
He's like, I
wanna
already know
lock
that
you
doesn't have
down.
milk.
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. We can
what are you doing? You wanna lick
have
my-
fun for now.
Hey, he's got a finger sucking problem too. Hey, buddy, this guy's doesn't have as much sucking power.
Commitment, trust me. Consider your message received.
So now this one, see how this one's got a number?
Yeah.
This one does not.
Okay.
That one will be staying around, be a replacement female. This one, its black has been bred to a beef bull.
Oh, a beef bull.
Probably sometime this coming week.
Wow.
So it'll get sold, we won't keep it.
At
Only
all?
the ones with the numbers on are the ones that stay.
And those are at auction, they do that?
No, we.
Oh my goodness, these guys are bigger. So they can eat they can eat regular food now, right?
They're still getting.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another
Wow.
direction, don't worry, I get it.
They're all.
Look at
I
how many.
meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never
crazy
wanna
operator.
look at a house in the garden. I never
That
wanna
guy.
lock you down.
Do you have bulls here too?
It's just my
No, we breed
turn.
them
We can
with,
still
our
have fun for now.
Oh, okay.
No, I never wanna play happy
So it's
families with
Like when you were looking at the
like
beef and
having
the cows,
you
it wasn't
around.
just straight corn
Fully
salads, right?
aware
Yeah,
this is a
this is the
flash in
Vertimix.
the
This is what
pan.
mixes
We can
all the
still
feed.
have fun for now.
And then
Yeah,
dumps
we
it.
can still
You can
have
drive it
fun
along the
for
field,
now.
I'm assuming, right?
We can still have fun
Look at that
for
thing.
now.
It's even got a. Oh, so you can scoop from the front and dump it into the back.
Yeah.
Cool.
So this barn is a little different in this. It doesn't have scrapers in it. This has like a basement in the house. So
Oh yeah, yeah,
it's 8 feet deep and all the manure falls through there and then we just pump it out.
yeah. Oh, nice.
No scraping or anything.
So you can pressure wash, kind of, right?
Just the traffic of the animals keep it.
Nice. And what's that? Oh, you fell flat on it. Stores all the milk.
So this is a little, what we call buffer tank. So when the milk truck comes to get the milk, cows are still out there being milked, right? In the
Okay.
barn. So the milk needs to go somewhere while this is down and being washed
Yeah.
and everything else goes in this little tank.
Okay.
Is what stores the milk while the big tank is being empty.
This is just the end of the tank too, right?
Yeah. Okay, we're going this way.
Now we're going to the robot. So this is the end of the tank. There's the rest of the tank. Wow, that thing is big. Whoa. Thing's huge. Whoa, that's. Whoa, what's that too, hey?
This is just the water system.
This is all a water cistern, so that stores all the water, Corbin. Wouldn't want that thing to like crack open. That would be a big flood.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another
Cow
direction,
just stepped over. See that thing?
Oh, there's the scraper.
I meant what I said when I said it, lady.
See, there's the scraper we were talking about earlier. This grabs all of the fecal matter and the urine, and it slowly cleans all of it and pushes it all the way to the end into that trough, not a trough, but that underground system that they have there that leads to the pool, the cesspool. Is that a cesspool? Is that what a cesspool is? Manure pit?
Pedicure stall. Here's where they come to get hoof trimmed.
This is where they come to get where? But
Their feet trimmed.
oh, their feet trimmed.
They're
And
growing too long. They have a sore foot.
the tools they use. Yeah, these are probably really short. Yeah. Traps them in here, keeps them calm.
Yeah, there's
Look at this thing.
That's an electric trimmer.
Cool.
There's a belt there to support the cow. You know, as you lift the cow.
Oh, you can lift this off, yeah.
Then that supports her while you're lifting.
This goes under their belly.
Yep.
Wow, this thing's wow, wow. How long did it take to set all of this stuff up?
Well, like I said, the barn
bit by
was
bit?
built in melting fire in this area all the way back to here was first a ramp uphill, and then the melting part of it can melt 16 cows at a time.
Yeah.
Got in that area.
Okay.
So you take a robot and restore all that down, and this is now special needs. Like that cow is pregnant, and does have babies.
What? That one's pregnant.
Most of them are pregnant. She's getting close to having babies. That's why she's here.
How long does it take for from
Their cows are
insemination to
really don't like to
gestation?
do that. The cows are exactly the same.
36 weeks or
No,
40
9
weeks?
months.
9 months. Wow.
But the monthly cycle and all.
The Lely astronaut. This is high-tech stuff. Look at this. Whoa. So they're all getting... Oh, look, there's the cow right there. See? And the cow does this by itself. It feels good. It relieves them of the milk because it builds up pressure in their breasts. And then, once they come in here, these things automatically grasp onto their nipples, and then it sucks all the milk out through these tubes here. Look at all that milk. And then it ends up into this jar. Yeah, but don't worry, that spider can't get in there. Look at that. One high-tech machine here. Oh. Let's watch and see when it detaches. How long do they usually milk for? Oh, one decoupled there, 2 decoupled. This one's almost done, Corbin. And they get some special food. It's like a treat. See that top there? That's what they get. Right there. They come in there, they get a special treat, and they get milk. Be careful. So those 2 came off because they're already empty. And this just keeps moving along. It's all a robot. West Coast Robotics by Lely. Oh, only one more to go. Does it add iodine to it after? Look at that. Nice pink nipple. All clean and ready to... They really gotta take care of the cow's nipple. The most important thing here. Oh, there's one more. Yeah, we're watching you. That's a lot of milk. That's how Mummy felt when we were using the automatic pump on her while you were sleeping, Corbin. I hooked her up to these pumps and I pumped her and she felt like a cow, she said. See, no humans have to do it anymore. This takes away the job. It's a really hard job.
Platform she's standing on is a scale, so you can monitor the cow's weight.
Oh, cool. Monitors, scans each cow. Gonna clean all of the disinfect. There she goes. This is prepping for another cow. There's the disinfectant. So cool. Perching the last of the milk there. The other cow is already waiting for a turn. Oh, what's that? What's that? Oh, look at that! It's like I might as well take the poo too. Goes right down in there. What's that?
Not all this stuff there.
Oh, they don't mix it, hey, just in case.
Yeah, you never know.
Just in case one's infected.
There's actually, you notice there's 2 lines in here. So one will go directly to the bulk tank.
Yeah.
And the other one goes, I'll show you on the way out. The other tank. So if we treat the cartridge with penicillin,
Yeah.
it can't be shipped.
Okay.
So it goes to the other line.
The other way. Oh.
We're probably have to wait here momentarily till
Look at that. Waiting for milking. Daily robotic maintenance. Clean of their mothership. Clean floor. Clean laser. Clean cow sensor. Etc. Calibrate robotic arm. Okay. Come on, take a sniff. We all want to. Yep. Come on in. Hello, cow. Would you like to get milk today by this lovely machine? Come. Come on in. Come on in. Oh. Yeah. He's coming. Two of them. Come on in. Don't be bashful. The other guy's like, move over, I'm coming in. You get mine. That is so neat. So Corbin, before they had this machine, you'd have to round these cows up. Look at that. Look at that. That is amazing. Okay, now watch this. See all those dirty, see our nipples and stuff are a little bit dirty and she's been lying down. How do you know? Oh, really?
I'm not sure what the time interval is, but there is a time interval.
But it knows by scanning the cow somehow, the collar.
Not due to be milked, so there's another one.
She wanted to get in front of that one. Here's another one. You might be allowed in. Come on in. You know the drill. Hello, 639. See that collar on their neck? That identifies each cow to this robot, so it understands, has it been here before? When's the last time it was milked? Has it been treated with penicillin? You know, which tube should the milk go down? Come on in. You want some treats or what, man? Woman. Oh, look at the brush. Brushing her. See that brush swirling around? Cleaning each nipple, I guess. They probably love the feeling of that too. But look at how full she is. Look at how packed full of milk that is. Oh yeah, that feels so nice getting a little nipple rub like that. And that disinfects each one. This is so cool. Okay.
And now the laser will go and have a look. See that red flashing light on the calculate?
Oh yeah, I see it. I see it. See the lasers? Laser guided nipple suckers. And there you go. The milk starts coming down. Amazing.
It takes some milk to go and help the oxytocin tank in here. Uses oxytocin with hormone that releases the milk. And now they're all 4 square meters, but they weren't initially.
And the more they suck, the more it stimulates that positive feedback loop.
Releasing the oxytocin.
Yeah. Amazing. Amazing. So, do you have any questions, kids? You have any questions? No?
Like a calf today, probably. She's still all.
That would be cool if we saw one of those happening.
I don't see one of
Jeez.
those happening, but,
Do they just do it without any interventions? Like,
yeah.
so they just have their baby, and then there's a. Where do the babies go? They just hang out somewhere
Well,
here. You go by butter fat.
Yeah, that's pretty. Like you buy 2% milk, right?
Yeah.
So we're shipping 4.3% milk.
That is so cool.
And that's the protein.
All dialed in.
And right there, cows are currently giving 38 liters a day. And they're visiting 3.2 times per day.
That is amazing.
And then that
I turn it all around.